Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we will learn how to install the latest macOS Sonoma on VMware. So the first step is to check if virtualization is enabled on your Windows PC. So for this, simply press Alt Control Delete, click on Performance, and you can see that virtualization has been enabled. If virtualization is not enabled, you can simply go to this guide. The next step is to download the VMware. So you can simply Google search VMware Workstation Pro download and download the latest version from the official website. So once the VMware is downloaded and installed, the next step is to download the macOS Unlocker. You can simply click on this GitHub link, click on code and download as zip file. So I have already downloaded the file. So you simply right click on it, click on WinRAR and extract here. Now simply open the folder, unlock master, right click on the Windows/install file and click run as administrator. So this will patch your VMware. The next step is to download the macOS Sonoma latest ISO file. So I have provided all the description below. You can simply visit my website and download all the links. You can use either Google Drive or MediaFire. So the file is around 14.82 GB. So you will need a good internet connection to download the files. Alternatively, you can also use the VMDK file. I am providing the link as well. So you can simply click on the Google Drive or MediaFire link and download the .vmdk file. So we have all the files ready. We have already installed VMware and let's wait for the unlocker to patch the macOS. So with this unlocker, you can use any macOS version and run it on your VMware. Otherwise, VMware doesn't allow running any macOS versions. So this is a mandatory step. So once it is patched, it will say starting VMware services. So once it is complete, you can simply double click the VMware Workstation Pro and open the software. Now click on create a new machine, select typical, click next. I will install the operating system later, click next. Select the Apple macOS and macOS 14, click next. And you can simply name your virtual machine, which I am keeping in macOS. Now select the hard disk, which should be minimum of 80 GBs and click on customize hardware. In customize hardware, simply increase your virtual memory to the maximum limit that you can use. Under processor, keep it 1 and 2. Number of cores should be 2. In the CD, click on use ISO image file and simply select the ISO file that we have downloaded in the first step. Now you can leave the rest as it is. Now simply click finish. So your virtual machine is ready and the next step is to simply close your VMware. Now go to your My Documents and simply copy this code. Go to this PC, My Documents, Virtual Machines, macOS 14 and click the .vmx file. So simply right click on it, open with Notepad. So go to the end and simply paste the codes. Now file, save as. Now close everything. Now again, open your VMware Workstation Pro. Now simply click on power on this virtual machine. Now this will take around a while. So to complete this overall installation, you will need around 50 to 60 minutes. So please be patient as the virtual machine will restart several times. So you don't have to panic. So now simply click on English, click next. Now click on disk utility, click continue. Now select VMware Virtual SATA Hard Drive Media, click on erase and simply name your machine. I am keeping it techrichard.com and click erase. Once complete, click done and close your disk utility. Now simply select install macOS 14 beta and click on continue. Now click on continue again. Now accept the terms, click on agree and agree again. Now select your hard disk which we have recently created and click on continue. Now this will take around 40 to 45 minutes. So let's fast forward it and move ahead. Now you can see that macOS Sonoma is ready to be installed. Now simply select your country. For my case, I am keeping it India. Select India and click continue. Now click continue again. Not now, and click continue again. Now you can simply click ignore and you can also set this up later. You can skip signing in with your Apple ID. Now click on agree and agree again. Now you have to create your computer account. So enter your full name, account name, password, verify your password and enter an hint. This will also take around 4 to 5 minutes. Once it is complete, click continue again. Don't use. You can simply set these settings up based upon your requirements. So you can simply select your time zone. So I'm selecting India. You can anywhere click on the map and it will automatically show you the time zone. Click continue, continue again and click setup later. Now you can simply choose your look. You can choose between the light screen, the dark theme or the auto theme. So I'm selecting the dark one and click continue. Now you can see that your macOS Sonoma is ready to be used. So you can simply click on the Apple icon and click on about this Mac. Now you have successfully installed macOS Sonoma, the latest version, on your VMware. You can also browse to the settings. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.